exhaust look exactly the same as on my WRX. The muffler. So that's going to be gone. So it's going to be basically from this point down that we're replacing. And eventually the downpipe. Freaking difference. Let's enjoy the sound a little bit before. Let's see what it's got. One more. Oh, and it backfires too. Nice. Now that we've had our fun, I don't think I can ever get not used to this. I completely understand what the Subaru Rumble is now. This sounds so unique. Wow, I'm completely speechless. This sound is so addicting that I honestly don't think that I'll be able to go back to a different car. Or maybe just start putting on equal headers on everything. The sound difference between my WRX and the STi, this is the same exhaust. I just took the Remark exhaust off my WRX and put it on my STi. The sound difference is night and day difference. Of course, I don't notice any difference in pull, but the sound is there just to let you know that, hey, you're going fast. And even at low RPMs, I mean, you step on the gas just a little bit and you hear that rumble. Oh, so and it backfires, which is the best part. It's got that little burble, like. Oh, perfect. This is all you need with an STi. I mean, just a catback exhaust and the car is perfect. I can't wait to put my son inside this car. He's gonna love this. In a couple of weeks, I'm gonna be test driving my friend's WRX. He's got a stage 2 tune and he's got the STi exhaust on the car, so we'll see what it sounds like, how it handles, the differences and everything like that between this car. But this, I know I've said it 5 times or more already in this video, but this sound is completely intoxicating. You already turned it on?